Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is a Forex chart of gold USD, and as you can see right now, gold is standing at 1876. But before I proceed, I would like to mention that I have a good news and I have a bad news. Well, the bad news is we had the speech of Jerome Powell, and after that, we did not see much move on the chart. Gold was in a particular range, and we were hoping that after the speech of Powell, there will be some volatility in the market and we would get a direction to trade. And sadly, there was no such thing on the market. Okay. Gold ticks up as dollar eases after Powell's comments. Gold prices edge higher on Wednesday as the US dollar eased after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell did not revert to a more hawkish stance despite last week's stunning jobs report. Wall Street rallies but trade choppy as investors digest Powell's comment. So if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that during the speech there was a sudden drop, big drop on the chart of DXY, but again it reversed also. There was strong price rejection. DXY as expected. Yesterday I told you that if DXY goes down also, the next support zone will be around 103, and as expected DXY made a low of 103.01 and bounced back. And after that there was some good upside on gold, but gold also came down. But overall gold is inside the range only. Okay, so that was the bad news. And what is the good news? The good news is that gold respected our levels perfectly. We have been talking about the levels, these levels for the last 2 days. We were not sure, we were kind of skeptical whether the resistance around 1884 will work or not. And yesterday we got the confirmation that our analysis was perfect. Okay, market respected. Once market hit the 1884, we saw strong price rejection around this area. So as a result, it is confirmed right now that this is the range of gold. So as a result, consider the market as a range bound market, and your strategy should be like that only. In simple words, the strategy in range bound market or sideways market is extremely simple. It is buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, so if possible, try to switch to a lower time frame. You can use the 1 hour time frame, or you can also use the 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, so my dear friends, you can see this is the chart of gold right now, undoubtedly the sideways market. So your resistance is around 1884 to 1885. Okay, this is the resistance zone on the market, and your big support on the chart of gold is around 1860 to 1861. So the strategy is simple. As market is standing in the middle right now, if you take a buy also, sell also, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. We are traders, not gamblers, so you don't need to trade in the middle of the chart. Wait for the market to come down to the support zone or resistance zone. If market comes to the support zone of 1860 to 61, you can go for a buy position. If you see market taking support, if you see prices being rejected from below, you can easily go for a buy position. In case during the day the volatility of the market remains low, listen to me carefully, during the day if the volatility of the market remains low, then you may also see market bouncing from 1865 level as well, because we can see here that 1865 is also acting as a temporary support for the market right now. So if you find market taking support around 1865 and bouncing, you can go for a buy position as well, but be careful. Okay, why? Because see, market does not like common things. You know it very well. I always tell this. Once the support level will become very common in the market, the big bears will try to go for some SL hunting. Okay, in that case you need to be very careful. So in case you see a market going down or breaking 1861 also, do not take a sell position immediately. Observe the size of the candles. If you see the size of the candles are small, okay, small red candles, doji spinning tops, but market is going for a breakdown, try to avoid going for a sell position, because that can be a SL hunting as well. In case market goes with a big red candle also, observe the market for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, so that you do not get trapped in the market. Okay, if possible, avoid sell position below 1860 level, just to be on the safer side, and just wait for the market to come down to the next support around 1842 to 1843. Okay, this is the next support on the chart of gold. Yes, if you have the required amount of experience, okay, then you can go for a sell position below 1860. But what I'm saying is that whenever a level becomes common in the market, the institutions usually go for SL hunting. Okay, so just to save yourself from SL hunting, what you can do is you can wait for some time, or if possible, okay, if possible, you can just wait for the market to come to support. Once market bounces from the support zone, you can go for a buy position. And if you see, after some SL hunting, market is going inside the range again, you can go for a buy position again. Clear? Same thing is applicable with the resistance also. As I said, we have resistance around 1884 to 1885. This is the resistance zone on the chart of gold right now. But you can see here we have some minor resistance forming up around 1881 as well. So if you see, if you find market reversing from 1881, 1882 level also during the day, then also you can consider a sell position. Clear? And as of now, 1884, 1885 is the resistance for the day. Again, the level is getting very common. So please be careful, because at one point you may also see market going for some SL hunting as well. If market goes for a breakout, do not take a buy position immediately. Just to save yourself, observe the market. If you find again market is reversing, coming back inside the range, it means the stop loss hunting has been done and you can go for a sell position. In case market goes for a breakout, then the next resistance, as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, is around 1898 to 1903. This is the next resistance on the chart of gold. If you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, where we have done the detailed analysis. The two big supports on the chart of gold are 1827.28 and 1842.43. My dear friends, I would like to mention one thing again, that though market is trading inside the range right now, but the support and resistance level, the levels at the top and the bottom, are not very strong. They are fragile. After this big move, market is simply under consolidation. Okay, market will show a big move again. Maybe it's just a matter of days, maybe it's just a matter of hours, but yes, market will be going for a big move again. So please be careful. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.